Good afternoon everyone. Today we are here to present our project entitled Old Weapons. As you can see that this project is the collaboration between two teams. The left side of the project is made by our team and the right side of the project is made by other team. So before starting our presentation, I want to give you the small definition what are old weapons. The weapons that are invented or used before early 90s are known as old weapons. So at first I will give you the information about our first weapon, that is cannon. So let us know about the structure of cannon. Cannon is majorly divided into four parts. First one is carriage, second one is barrel, and third one is breech, and fourth one is bore.
Cannons are used to break the voice of enemies, and it is the material used in cannon is metal, and yet it is available in bronze and copper, and it is used by Mughals, Britishers and Marathas.
I am here to give you a short information about revision. There are majorly 6 parts in revision. The first part is frame, the second one is beam, the third one is counterweight, the fourth one is sling, fifth one is axle, and the last one is winch and ropes. So let us know about the founder of revision. There is no proofs or evidences of the founder of this weapon. The remaining information will give Hirsch.
But it has believed that it has developed in China in 4th century BC and later spread to Europe. Trebuchet is mainly made up of 90% of wood and 10% of steel, metal and etc. Trebuchet is widely used for breaking the walls, castle of enemies and destroying the resources of enemies.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Kamishna. I am here to give you information about bow and arrow. So let us know about the structure of bow and arrow. Bow is majorly divided into 4 parts. First is riser, second is lead, third is string, fourth is smoking point.
Arrow is majorly divided into 4 parts. First is staffet, second is arrowhead, third is fletching, fourth is knob. Bow and arrow is mostly used by Mughals, Marathas and Britishers.
Let us know the material used that are bow, arrow and that are steel or wood and leather. Bow is used for long range attack. Now row is used for sports and archery.
Let us know about the spear. Spear is mainly divided into 2 parts. The first part of the spear is spear's head, which is used for piercing and hunting. The second part of the spear is shaft, which is the long bolt to which spear head is attached. Spear is used by many emperors like Mughal, Marathas, Greek, Roman and Chinese.
The spear is made up of steel, iron, and stone. There is an interesting fact about spear. Spear that is used in that is the oldest weapon. Used by humans and today it is used in sports like javelin throw.
Good afternoon everyone. Today I am here to give you information about katana. Let us know about the structure of katana. It is majorly divided into 2 parts. First one is blade and second one is hilt. Means 2 parallel bars are connected by a cross of piece which make X shape. This is used by many empires like Mughals, Marathas and Rajputs.
There is no other evidence of the founder of the Qatar, but it is involved over time to India subcontinent. Qatar is made of steel. Uses of Qatar. Qatar was used for close cabana.
It was also used for ceremonial purposes and often carried as a symbol and a status and bravery.
So before ending our presentation, I would like to recognize our team's hard work and contribution. So as you can see that this pillar and this border, the main design of the project is made by Harsh, who has made the entire designs of this project, and this frame also made by Harsh. The project printout work is done by me, and the info is written by Priyanka. And other team members has done their contribution by some things like money and learning part.